This is my entry into the 2022 Broke to Built contest. I have never rebuilt a dirt bike from the bottom up. I've done clutch baskets, things like that. Also never worked on a Honda. So with this manual, hopefully, and a little bit of patience, I can get this hunk of junk working. But I think you're going to be excited to see from start to finish, because I plan on winning.
Guys, I've got some exciting news for you all. The 2022 Broke to Built contest is now live. This is our third year running the contest, and each year has been
Wish me luck.
An absolute blast and a good time.
This is the Honda CR80R rebuild project. This is the 2000. Now I picked this up as part of a trade. Basically, I traded a dirt bike for a rock crawler, and I had a box of parts, and told the guy I'd give him the box of parts if he gave me this old bike. And I knew good and well that it had a lot of issues, but I didn't really know what I was getting into. So, we'll just show some of the parts I pulled off that I haven't really touched much yet. Look at that expansion pipe. It's damn near rusted through, but it might be salvageable. Everything's rusted solid. Here's the crankcase. And this is what I knew when I traded for this. I knew that the Kickstarter mounting hole was broken, and that the dude JB welded it on, and he said it worked a little bit and then it stopped. The JB weld didn't hold. Imagine that. Or not the Kickstarter, the shifter. You should have seen the layers of gunk on this thing, like just layers and layers. It must have just filled up with water, because everything in there was rusted. Cylinder head though, surprisingly not too bad. Look at that. Cracked. Everything that came off this bike was completely crusted over with grease. Back to the bike. Seals are blown. Had a black widow nest in here. I don't know what is going on down there, but you could see the JB weld where they actually tried to build the JB weld up to support that shifter. When I got into the right side, I find this crack right where that shift lever rod goes in. Transmission, surprisingly, really good condition. 10 years behind on registration, so that's going to be fun to pay all those fees. But this is my project bike. Every bearing on this bike has got to get replaced, every bushing. These lines I don't trust. Wish me luck. Let's hope this thing turns into something pretty, and my kids have a badass little motocross bike, or I end up with a fun little wheelie bike. Who knows? Thanks.